If you're experiencing login failures with Call of Duty, particularly the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media pages to check if the game's servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are offline, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your gaming platform Steam, Battle.net, etc. and install them before attempting to log in again. Step 4. Verify your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Test your connection by visiting a website or running a speed test. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login issue. After reinstalling, try logging in again. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.